Hi, welcome to yet another video about HoloLens 2 and Azure Remote Rendering today. We're visualizing the coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 here. This is a model from the University of Glasgow that you can find on Sketchweb. And thanks Gary Gorby for pointing me at it. It's a quite fairly detailed model. I think it has 2.5 million polygons. Of course, it doesn't go down to the atomic level like some other models we have seen, but still quite fairly detailed, right? And so here on the outside, you can see these S proteins that are responsible for entering the cell and basically infecting that cell with the virus. You can see these are grouped into three, and also on the outside hull, you can see these kind of membrane proteins that are giving the structure. Also, you can see here the kind of lipid membrane, basically. And also inside, you can actually see this yellow. These are other proteins that enclose the RNA, that protect the RNA, basically. And, you know, as you can see, the whole virus inside is filled with that RNA enclosed by the protein. There's another protein here, an envelope protein, the green one you can see here, that's also having some special functionality. I'm not the expert there, and I think the researchers are still looking into what are all the details there. But anyway, pretty amazing. We can render that with AR. It would not be possible to visualize it on the HoloLens directly, but using remote rendering, we can do it. By the way, if you see some jittering or other weird artifacts in the video, that's just because of the mixed reality capture video recording of the HoloLens. The real experience doesn't show that and has you actually the full detailed model, super stable with late state reprojection, all the good stuff. All right, thanks folks. Take care, be safe, don't get infected by this guy, and talk to you soon.